Practice set 27, problem number 13, requires us to simplify both sides by combining like terms first before we deal with the issue of having a variable on both sides of the equation. So looking at this, on the left-hand side, a 7 minus 3 can be substituted with a 4. Similar terms of 2x with a minus 5x, 2 plus a negative 5 results in a negative 3x, is equal to, simplifying on the right-hand side, the similar terms, the integers 4 plus 6 results in a substitution of 10. Nothing was done with the minus x, so we'll just include that along in the statement. Now looking at the result, we have variables on both sides of the equation. Both of them are negative, which means we're going to use rule number 4, requiring us to add the correct amount to remove the larger negative number. Well, the larger looking is this negative 3x. So adding positive 3x to both sides eliminates the x on the left-hand side. Negative 3x plus 3x is gone. 4 plus 0 results in a 4. On the right-hand side, we have 10 minus x plus 3x. That's a negative 1 plus 3. Different signs. We subtract the numbers. 3 minus 1 is 2. The larger is positive, leaving us with a positive 2x. Now we're ready to go backwards through the order of operations to get x by itself, requiring us to first undo addition by subtracting. In this case, subtracting 10 from both sides. 4 minus 10 is the same as 4 plus a negative 10, resulting in a negative 6. The 10s add up to be a 0. 0 plus 2x is 2x. The last operation to undo is multiplication. We'll take care of that with a division of 2 on both sides. Negative divided by positive is negative. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 times x is x. The solution, x is equal to negative 3. On problem number 19, there's simplification required first. 1x plus 1x, similar terms, can be substituted with an equivalent expression of 2x. No terms to combine on the left-hand side with the integer 2. On the right-hand side, nothing to simplify with or combine with the 3, but we have a minus x minus x. The implication is that's minus 1x minus 1x. Combining minus 1x minus 1x using the rule of subtraction results in plus a negative 1x, showing us that we're adding same signed numbers, which requires us just to add and use the sign of the numbers, resulting in a negative 2x. We now have a positive variable and a negative variable, which is going to require us to follow the rule number 3, remove the negative variable by adding the correct amount to both sides. So negative 2x needs to be removed. To counter that or undo, we'll add a 2x to both sides. 2x plus 2x, combining like terms on the left-hand side, results in a substitution of 4x. Nothing altered the positive 2 is equal to 3 plus, and here you can see the minus 2x plus 2x cancel one another out, resulting in 0. 0 plus 3 is 3. Last steps involve getting the variable by itself, undo subtraction, undo the addition with subtraction, subtract a 2 from each side. 4x plus 2 minus 2 is 4x. 3 minus 2 is 1. Undo multiplication with division. Divide both sides by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 1 times x is x. And we can either leave this as 1/4 or the decimal equivalency of 0.25.